Solution. We have to use completing square. X squared minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Look for the coefficient of x, which is what? 4. We need half of 4, which is what? 2. Right? And we also need to square the half, which is what? 4 to both sides. Right? And so we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 21 plus 4. You need to move this to the right hand side. Okay? So the next thing now is to find that x minus 2 squared is equals to 25. Right? You have x minus 2 in bracket square is equals to 25. You find the square root of both sides. Plus or minus. Right? So this square, we cancel the square root. So we're left with x minus 2 equals to plus or minus 5. The value of x now will be 2 plus or minus 5. X has two values. X is equals to 2 plus 5 or 2 minus 5. And so x is equals to 7 or minus 3. This becomes the final answer.